Raise your hand if you've ever stood at a party, held a cold cup of water, and stared at the floor like it was the most fascinating thing in the room. Yeah, same. But here's the truth. Most people think great social skills require charisma, magnetic charm, or endless witty banter. They don't. Social skills are surprisingly simple. Here's why. You see, the biggest mistake people make in any conversation is focusing entirely on input, what to say next, how to phrase it, and whether you sound smart. When your brain is frantically searching for the perfect line, you look tense, distant, and completely distracted. But humans are hardwired for connection, not performances. You don't need a script, you need active observation. Active observation is taking the spotlight off yourself and aiming it entirely at the other person. Pay attention to the actual details in front of you, their shoes, the way they hold their phone, or the fact that they're also staring awkwardly at the snack table. Notice these physical details and make a simple, low-pressure comment. Instead of asking a formal question like, "What do you do for work?" which immediately feels like an interview, make an observation. If someone is holding a massive cup of coffee at 2 in the afternoon, don't ask if they're tired. Say, "That coffee looks like it's holding your entire day together." That's it. It's light, neutral, and opens the door without demanding a performance. They can laugh, agree, or explain their day. Either way, you gave them an easy way in. Here's another reframe. People don't remember the exact words you said. They remember how easy it was to talk to you. When you make an observation, you take the pressure off them to be interesting. You make them feel seen in a world where everyone is usually staring at their own screens. To build this into a real skill, use the 3-part conversational framework: notice, name, and neutralize. First, notice one tangible detail in your environment. Second, name it out loud with a light observation. Third, neutralize the pressure by letting the pause sit. If they respond, great. If they just nod, you move on without caring. No harm, no awkwardness, no overthinking. Stop trying to be the most interesting person in the room. Be the most present person in the room. Because when you stop worrying about being charming, you become effortless to talk to. You didn't just survive the conversation, you actually owned it.